We get a lot of questions about sad hydrangeas. So you'll see here, this one's sad. Here's how to make it happy. You're gonna wanna soak it, the actual blooms, in cold water for like 30 minutes. Then after, add some flower food to a large vase or bucket, and use like hot water, like almost boiling water. And to get that solution dissolved, shake off the excess from the blooms and cut a good 2, almost maybe even 3 inches off that stem at an angle, and then up the veins. And you're gonna leave it in that hot water until it's happy again. You'll see here, I moved it to a better lighting location for a time lapse, but look at how those blooms revive and refresh back to like perfection. A lot of times we send out vases and we get complaints saying that the hydrangea was drooping after a couple days. It probably ran out of water. Hydrangeas like to be hydrated, so this is how you can keep them hydrated and solve that problem if it droops on you, to bring it back to its normal state. Hope that helps.